Coke instead of a purse? Hair curlers and hairspray? How do you like to use your soda? Check out our new video to see cool life hacks and funny pranks using Coca Cola. I'm going to a party and I want to stand out, but nothing is enough. Ooh, I like these sparkles. I want some on my face. But I don't have any special glue. What should I do? Oh, here's something I can use. Sticky Coca Cola. Put Coke under your eyes and attach glitter to your skin. It's staying on. Awesome! Plus, you can use Coke instead of eyebrow gel. Now you are party ready! Oh no! We are late to the party! Let's run! Oh no! We can't go in identical shirts! We need to change! Yikes! Now we are in identical skirts! Change again! Now what? Identical clutches? This is getting silly! I'll make a clutch that nobody else has for sure! Cut open a clean, empty Coke can. Glue in red foam paper. Trim the excess. Attach a piece of foam paper to a big clasp. And glue the side seams. Decorate the seams with red ribbon. Attach a chain as a handle. Look at this exclusive Coke clutch! Wow, it's amazing and so unique! Now let's go have fun! I saw this one slime experiment. Pour glue into Coke. Wait for your friend to come and mix it up. Open the bottle. Voila! Here's your black slime! You can try it too! My friend is happy to copy my experiment. Add glue, shake, and open! I think I'll stand over here. Whoops! I got you, buddy! I made my Coke slime earlier. It was a normal Tuesday. I was having chips and Coke in my bed. Until my boyfriend texted me. See you in 15 minutes. Oh no! I need to get ready. My makeup is done. But I'm out of hairspray. I'll put a spray nozzle in the bottle. And spray my hair. This is way better than normal hairspray. It even smells fantastic. I don't have curlers either, but I do have a bunch of soda cans. They'll finally come in handy. I'll wrap my hair around the cans as if they were curlers. Then I'll wait. Now my hair is pretty sweet. I'm ready for my date. Hi, honey. Ooh, sweetie. There's something in your hair. Is that a can of Coke? Huh? I actually love Coke, too! This must be fate! We should be together forever! Marry me! I can use my tasty Coca Cola lipstick while I'm waiting for my friend. Take clear lipstick out of the tube and microwave it. Put a little decorative Coca Cola bottle into the tube. Add Coca Cola flavoring to the lipstick. Pour the lipstick back into the tube and wait for it to harden. Decorate the tube with sparkly red tape and a printed Coca Cola label. And here's my friend. Want some Mentos? Yeah, sure. Oh gosh! The Mentos in my Coca Cola lips are having a chemical reaction! Next time, I'll be smarter! Want some Mentos? No! I remember that I have lipstick on. You should try out my Coca Cola lipstick. What a mess! Hey, honey, are you planning on cleaning? I know what'll give you strength and energy. Take this. I'll mix Coca Cola and coffee. This is one strong energy drink. Bottoms up, hun. Phew, the energy boost worked. Now I have quadruple the energy. I'll clean the whole house, not just the couch. And I'll even clean my girlfriend off the couch, too. Happy birthday! Here are your presents. And here are your refreshments. What? One bottle of Coke for everyone? We were expecting pizza. That's not just Coke. It's a yummy, sweet jelly soda for dessert. Dissolve gelatin in Coca Cola. Mix thoroughly. Pour the mixture back into the bottle and put it in the fridge. After the jelly sets, cut the bottle open and take out the jelly Coke. Attach a label and put the bottle cap on top. Let's slice up some Coca-Cola for everyone! Enjoy! Isn't it delicious? This is my most iconic recipe. Yeah, super delicious. This is the best party ever. This dessert is kinda weird. I think we'd better go. Bye! That's strange. Why didn't they like my jelly soda? Who drank my Coke again? Christy, was it you? You sure do love Coca-Cola. Fine, I'll let you relax. Pour Coca-Cola into a lot of gelatin. Stir and let it sit. Pour the jelly into a bathtub. Christy is going to take a bath. Hang on a sec. I need to check something. Great! The jelly set. Her Coke bath is ready. Come on in, Christy. Your super relaxing bath is waiting for you. What is that? The bath smells like Coca-Cola. I'm not diving into this jelly, but we can prank Ben. Ben! Help! Ben is already waiting behind the door. He prepared giant jelly Mentos to go with the jelly Coke. Cover soaked gelatin with milk. Melt it in a microwave. Add pink food coloring. Pour it into a round mold and let it cool. Take out the big candy. Use a heated spoon to smooth it out. Safe travels! So, Ben, do you like your bath? Isn't it refreshing? And now, let's add Jelly Mentos to Jelly Coke. Christy, look, there is so much foam. Ben is like a big kid who adores jelly. This prank failed. I guess I'll leave him alone with this giant jelly bath. Did you like our Coca-Cola pranks and life hacks? Then comment below and tell us which one you'll try at home. Curling your hair, making a purse, eating jelly soda, or taming your eyebrows? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any new Coca Cola ideas from Troom.